My name's Michael Grimm. I'm from York, Pennsylvania. This is my 79 Transtar Eagle. As a kid, I always wanted an Eagle. I did start out with a 75 Transtar. Didn't really appreciate it that much because cabos were everywhere at that time. I always wanted a conventional, never thinking tides would turn again. But here I am again, going full circle. I found this Eagle and fell in love with it and had to have it. I've just been having fun with it. Everybody seems to appreciate it going down the road, and it's just nice to see people appreciate our history and where we came from. The truck is pretty much all original. I did overhaul it and put some 390 rear gears in it to make it a little more easier going down the road, but the truck is pretty much the way I bought it. And it does have a 400 big cam Cummins, and it is tweaked just a little bit, enough to get it down the road with just a little bit of smoke, not enough to make EPA upset with me.